Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show how you can install and run PC version Tor Browser in your Android using Exagear. So let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show how you can install and run Tor Browser in your Android, the PC version of Tor Browser in your Android using Exagear Emulator application. So basically Tor Browser is available for the Android officially on the Play Store, but in this video I'm going to show how you can install and run the PC Windows version Tor Browser in your Android. So everyone knows about the Tor Browser. Basically Tor Browser is a private browser, but in that browser you can access dark web, and that anonymously you can get into any website, or you can keep your network private and you can use that browser. So using a Windows version browser in Android was the different level experience you can get. So in this video I'm going to show how you can install and run the Tor browser, and the Tor browser is perfectly working. So if you want to run a PC version Tor browser in your Android, and if you want to access a dark web in the desktop version or the PC, so you can follow this method. You can follow my video to do that. So if you want to install and run Tor browser in your Android, you need to download two things. The first thing is the emulator. So this is basically Exagear Emulator, and from very long time I'm making videos on it. So basically this is the emulator application for Android. While using this application we can install and run any PC software in Android. So this is the another version, not the official version. From past very long time I'm using official version, but they are getting some problem and the official version was disconnected, and I'm using the another version. As you can see, this is the Exagear, and I made a separate video on my YouTube channel. You can check out my channel. So if you want to download and install the Exagear, the download in the description. And if you want to know how you can download, install and run, and if you want to know about this Exagear, you can check out my previous video. And I'm happy to announce that I have enabled the membership on my YouTube channel. You can join, and if you want to get some special videos like only members videos, so there are some topics that I'm going to bring on my YouTube channel that will be very demanded, and some only members videos. In that video there are the demanding topic and very helpful and very useful and demanded topic I'm going to bring. So make sure you join my YouTube channel through the membership. You can take my membership, and I've set the 3 levels. If you want to any demanded video, or if you want to connect with me personally, if you want to do anything, you can buy my gold membership. So in that you can get the member only videos. Apart from the joining membership, if you get this video very helpful, you can give me a super thanks while donating some amount to my YouTube channel. So it will be help me and motivate me to make more videos. So if you get any video helpful from my YouTube channel, so make sure to give a super thanks to me while donating some amount. So now let's get back to the topic. After downloading and installing Exagear Emulator application in your Android phone, you need to download the Tor Browser exe file. So this is the PC version Tor Browser. I have provided the download in the description. You can check out there and download from there. After downloading both the files, you have to open the Exagear application. Now you have to open the manage containers. If you don't know the interface, and if you don't know about the Exagear, you can check out my previous video. In that I have explained detail how you can use this Exagear. So let me just rename it. So this is the container. You have to click on the 3 dots. You have to click on the run, and as you can see that the desktop of this Exagear Emulator application has been started and in the landscape mode. So let me just turn the Android phone, and as you can see it will opening the Exagear. So let me just set up the camera and come back again. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Exagear desktop, and this is the start button. from here you can do a lot of things like this. You can get into the programs, control panel, run. So I have detailedly explained and I have made a detailed video. You can check out my previous video. So now if you want to install and run Tor browser, you have to follow this tutorial what I am showing here. Forget to mention earlier, after downloading you have to keep that exe file in the download folder only, because Exagear will going to access the download folder of your Android internal storage. So in this Exagear, it will the F, as you can see, this is the F drive, and it will access the download folder. As you can see, it will open the F drive as a download folder. As you can see in the screen, I just now click the F, and then I can access the download folder files. So this is the Tor browser just now downloaded and kept in the download folder. So now I'm going to show you how you can install it, but make sure before you installing, make sure you are connected with the internet, mobile data or Wi-Fi. Make sure you have a good internet at the moment. So as you can see, this is the Tor browser. I'm going to long press on it. I'm going to just click to open. So the installation process are going to be start, and as you can see, it will saying verifying. So now here you have to select the language. You can change the language according to you. So let me just keep it on the default English. Let me just click to OK, and it will saying it will going to require the space of 287 MB. Make sure you have this much storage in your Android phone, and it will going to install here in the C drive. So let me just click to install, and as you can see, the Tor browser setup has been installing over here. Here it will going to take some time. As you can see, it will installing. So as you can see in the screen, the Tor browser has been successfully installed in my Android phone in the Exagear Emulator application. So let me just uncheck this run Tor browser. So I'm not going to run from here. So let me just click to finish. I am going to minimize the file manager. So as you can see, the Tor browser has been appeared in the desktop, but I am going to open it from here, start button. So let me just click to start button and click to programs, and here I'm going to, as you can see, the Tor browser has been appeared here. So let me just click on it, Tor browser. For the very first time, it will going to take some time to open, and make sure you are connected with the good internet, the mobile data or Wi-Fi. So as you can see in the screen, the Tor browser has been successfully opened up here. It will take some time to open up for the very first time. So as you can see, it will saying connect to Tor. So as you can see up the right top corner, it will saying not connected. So after connecting Tor, you can access to the dark web. So I'm not promoting this video for any illegal activity, so I'm just showing this for the education purpose only. So as you can see, this is the desktop version of the Tor, means the Windows version of the Tor. As you can see, this is all the features. So now I'm just click on the always connect automatically. So when I'm from next time when I'm open Tor browser, it will going to automatically connect to Tor. So let me just click to connect. After connecting Tor, you can access the dark web, or you can get it into any website that you have get blocked, or you can get into your website with anonymous without showing your IP. So as you can see, at the moment internet is slow. That's why I always mentioning before, make sure you are having a good internet. I am sitting very far from the Wi-Fi, that's why the internet is slow at the moment. So as you can see, so let me just get the full screen of this Tor browser. So it will connecting to the Tor, and as you can see, it will connected successfully connected to the Tor network. Now it will going to open the search engine. As you can see here, it will use the DuckDuckGo search engine. As you already, if you know about this, you will understand. So let me just going to search anything in the DuckDuckGo search engine, so you will understand it's working or not. So as you can see, the speed and this browser is not lagging. Some of the browser will get lag in the Exagear, but this browser it's not lagging, but slow for the loading due to the slow internet. If you have a good internet, we're going to load very fast any website. So just now I've searched in the search engine and it will loading the website to show me the search result in the DuckDuckGo search engine. I'm doing this to show you the whether internet is perfectly working or not. And as you can see in the screen, I've searched in the search engine and it will showing all the results, as you can see. And this you can see the result, and you can see the speed of this, as you can see. You can see the speed of the browser here. You can get the more options, new tab, new window, new identity, bookmark, history, download, password, save pages. So if you want to import or export anything in this browser, you can do it while using the F drive, and you can download and keep it in the F drive so you can access in Android. Or if you want to access anything in this browser, you can download and keep anything in the download folder of your Android internal storage, because this Exagear will going to access download folder, so you can access any file from there. So as you can see, this is all the things. So in this video I just show how you can install and run Tor Browser, and it's perfectly working. In this video I just show you how you can install the process of the installation and how you can run the browser, Tor Browser in Android. If you want a detailed tutorial video on how you can access dark web or any other thing, the dark web is not illegal, but the things on the dark web are the illegal, so make sure we have to be very careful for that. So if you want a detailed tutorial video on this Tor browser, I can make, let me know in the comments. So as you can see, this is the Tor browser perfectly running in Android. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.